In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable your PIN in Windows 11. We will cover 3 different methods on how to do that. You can easily remove the PIN on Windows 11 through account settings. Here are the steps for that. Launch Windows 11 settings. Select Accounts from the left pane and click on the sign in Options. Then select PIN to expand it. Click on Remove at the Remove this sign in option. Easy, wasn't it? Now, how do we fix Windows 11 Remove PIN if we discover that the Remove option is grayed out? This is because the PIN is only allowed for a Microsoft account sign-in on your system. To fix this, you must turn off this additional setting. Open Windows 11 Settings. Select Accounts from the left pane. Then click Sign-in Options. Under Sign-in Options, look for additional settings. Next to the For Improved Security, only allow Windows Hello Sign-in for Microsoft accounts on this device. Toggle the button to disable it. Close the settings window, then reopen it. Now you will see the option to remove PIN from Windows 11. Finally, if your account is enabled for the passwordless account, the PIN remove option will be grayed out. Let's change that. Open Settings. Click on Accounts from the left pane, then select Your Info tab. Under the Related Settings, click on the Accounts option. Your browser will open and you will see your account settings if you log in. Then click on the Security tab, then click on Advanced Security Options. Then here under Additional Security, you will see the option for a passwordless account. Follow the on-screen instructions to turn it off. Then restart your PC. Now you will see that the Remove PIN option is enabled. These are the 3 methods that we can use to disable PIN in Windows 11. Write down in the comments below. If you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you like this video, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.